Hi there, students. To assuage. I guess assuaging as an adjective. Let's see, to assuage means to make an unpleasant feeling less strong. So, he gave her a bunch of flowers to assuage his guilt, to make his guilt lessen, to satisfy it, maybe. Okay, the government took several actions to assuage public fears. So this is making a a feeling less strong. To assuage or to appease. So you could assuage your thirst. I'm really, really, really thirsty. And then I drink half a litre of water to assuage my thirst, to assuage my hunger. Okay, so yeah, to satisfy it. And then you can also use to assuage, meaning to calm down. So all of these three meanings, they're very close indeed. He made several public comments in order to assuage his critics. Yeah, while assuaging some critics, he managed to create new critics. Okay, so to assuage your grief, he's turned to drink to assuage his grief, to make less severe, to make milder, to mitigate. Or I had a large meal which assuaged my hunger. Yeah, or to assuage somebody's fears, to calm, to mollify, yeah, to make less intense. A pound of sausages was not enough to assuage his hunger. To allay, to alleviate, to ease, to lessen, to mitigate, to palliate, to mollify, to pacify, to placate, yeah, or even this idiom, to pour oil on troubled waters, to soothe the situation. He was a man who was not easily assuaged when he wanted something. Okay, so to lessen the intensity, to pacify or to smooth, or to calm down, to abate, to cause something to subside. He has an implacable foe who it is impossible to assuage. He vainly strove to assuage his implacable foe. So let's see, to assuage is a regular verb. He assuaged his guilt. He has assuaged his thirst with beer. And as to formality, I think I'd probably give this a 7 in formality. It sounds very literary, maybe even a 7.5, very literary. I would not use assuage in a casual conversation. Keep it semi-formal or formal. And then as to origin, okay, it's another one of these that comes from Latin through French. Let's see. In Latin, assuavo, okay, the ad, as, to, and then suavo, sweet. So to sweeten, to make less bitter. Yeah, I guess if you put sugar in your coffee, it assuages the bitterness. I'm not sure I'd quite use assuage like that, but the meaning is fine. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Assuage.